What's up guys, it's Rex. Here's a recipe that I recently learned and it tastes great, so I thought I would share it with you. This recipe weighs in a little over 6 ounces and it packs around 800 calories. All you need is 1 pack of ramen, 1 ounce of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 ounce of Parmesan, 1 ounce of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of basil. So before you leave home, you want to discard the ramen seasoning and package all your dry ingredients to your bag of choice. I prefer to add in my Parmesan right before eating, so you can package it separate. Once it can't, bring 10 ounces of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, you turn off the stove, add in your dry ingredients, olive oil, and then stir until it's rehydrated. And then last, you'll mix in your Parmesan.